An object from interstellar space has been observed to visit our solar system.
For countless generations, humanity has gazed into the cosmic abyss, questioning the possibility of extraterrestrial existence and hidden cosmic phenomena. As we marveled at the celestial tapestry of stars, pondering the mysteries beyond, our speculations remained largely speculative. That is until the arrival of Oumuamua, our inaugural interstellar guest, whose enigmatic appearance and swift departure left us yearning for answers. Fast forward to today, and the intrigue has only deepened. Joe Rogan, the host of the renowned podcast, Joe Rogan Experience, now finds himself captivated by a revelation that has sent shockwaves through the scientific community. Oumuamua has returned, embarking on a trajectory toward Earth. The burning question on everyone's minds: what prompts this mysterious entity's return to our planet? Join us as we unravel the unsettling discovery and delve into the controversial implications that lie ahead. With our current understanding of space and advanced technology at our disposal, the identification and classification of objects observed in space should be a relatively straightforward task. However, the case of Oumuamua is significantly different. Oumuamua is a celestial body that has intrigued scientists and astronomers, earning its name, which translates to messenger from afar. This object originated from deep space, or as commonly referred to, interstellar space. Interstellar space is the vast expanse between the stars beyond our solar system. While objects from interstellar space occasionally enter Earth's solar system, Oumuamua was an unexpected visitor that caused confusion. Its unusual shape was the first thing to pique scientists' interest. It had an elongated structure resembling a sausage or hot dog. Initially classified as an asteroid, Oumuamua differed from asteroids, which typically have rounded or irregular shapes, orbiting the Sun within our solar system. This object, on the other hand, possessed a distinctive, almost engineered shape, and did not follow the typical orbit around our Sun like asteroids. As a result, Oumuamua quickly became a subject of controversy due to its extraordinary features and the challenge it posed to conventional explanations. In this context, Joe Rogan, a famous podcaster, found the mysterious nature of this flying object fascinating. He hosted Avi Loeb, a theoretical physicist and author, in one of his podcasts to explore the mysteries surrounding Oumuamua. Loeb provided detailed information to the public about the nature of Oumuamua and the possibility of its extraterrestrial origin. Unfortunately, due to its rapid departure from our solar system, further explorations of Oumuamua have been challenging. Unexpectedly, Oumuamua has reappeared and is now transmitting signals toward Earth. Joe Rogan, after thorough research, recently shared an episode revealing a wealth of information about this mysterious object. Keep following us to discover the latest revelations about Oumuamua and what might happen when this object makes contact with Earth. Upon entering our solar system, Oumuamua immediately challenged the usual laws of space travel. Typically, space objects move at a constant speed relative to other celestial bodies. However, scientists soon realized that Oumuamua was following a unique and peculiar path, generating controversies and speculations that it might be a comet. Comets, those mysterious celestial bodies formed by ices in space, create a luminous tail when volatile materials on their surface vaporize under the intense heat of the sun. If you've ever seen a bright glow traversing the night sky, you've likely witnessed a comet. Unlike asteroids or planetary bodies, comets can travel at incredible speeds up to 160,000 kilometers per h, depending on their distance from the sun. Oumuamua's extraordinary initial speed raised suspicions among scientists that it might be a comet. However, it lacked a distinctive feature of comets: the escaping gaseous tail. Oumuamua's peculiar movement in space bore no resemblance to the typical behavior of a comet. To explain this behavior, some researchers hypothesized that Oumuamua was emitting gas from the side exposed to the sun, propelling itself like a rocket. But this theory faced a significant challenge: the absence of detectable gas and, consequently, a visible tail. If Oumuamua were indeed a comet, scientists should have been able to confirm it by showing some common features. In 2019, another interstellar comet named 2I/Borisov was discovered. This comet behaved as one would expect from a comet, displaying a tail that was even 14 times larger than Earth. Unlike Oumuamua, this comet had fragmented multiple times over the years. With Oumuamua defying the categories of asteroid and comet, a new theory emerged. It could be a fragment from an exoplanet. This theory suggests that an asteroid may have struck a planet outside our solar system, sending fragments into space. Since Oumuamua was first spotted on October 19, 2017, using the Pan-STARRS Observatory in Hawaii, it has become a captivating enigma. The Pan-STARRS Observatory, known as the Panoramic Survey Telescope and Rapid Response System, features a massive telescope and one of the world's largest digital cameras, with 1.4 billion pixels. Its primary purpose is to identify potential threats to Earth, objects that could collide with our planet and cause damage. When astronomers at the telescope noticed this mysterious object traversing our solar system, they realized it was unprecedented and named it Oumuamua. Initially, they thought it had an elongated cigar-shaped form. However, days after crossing our solar system, measurements revealed that Oumuamua had dimensions of 377 x 364 x 62 meters, debunking the initial cigar-shaped assumption and revealing a pancake-like structure. As Oumuamua approached its closest point to the Sun on September 9, 2017, it zoomed at a staggering speed of about 314,000 kilometers per hour. Moreover, its orbital trajectory around the Sun indicated that gravitational forces were not the sole factor at play. It seemed to have origins beyond our solar system. The idea of an alien presence exploring our solar system sparked debates and concerns in the scientific community and the public. Oumuamua's propulsion seemed to surpass the typical characteristics of comets or other celestial bodies, demonstrating a constant and intentional thrust as it accelerated in an attempt to move away from the solar heat and return to its extraterrestrial place of origin. These unique features fueled the theory that Oumuamua could be an alien spacecraft. Hypotheses suggested it could be an extraterrestrial probe, similar to our Voyager, but powered by an unknown energy source rather than conventional fuels. Determining Oumuamua's origin and age proved extremely challenging. Its extreme speed made it impossible to obtain a sample or a close-up view of the object. Earth telescopes lacked the necessary resolution to capture a clear image. Initially, scientists speculated that Oumuamua had a cigar-shaped, elongated form, but subsequent observations revealed its pancake-like structure. The hypothesis of an alien spacecraft gained traction because it seemed to provide the most plausible explanation for this enigmatic celestial phenomenon. Some researchers put forward exotic explanations, such as Avi Loeb of Harvard, who hypothesized that Oumuamua could be a spacecraft equipped with a light sail for space propulsion, harnessing solar radiation. However, this theory posed challenges, as solar radiation usually propels only lightweight and low-density objects, requiring a large surface area to capture enough energy. Despite the excitement surrounding the alien spacecraft hypothesis, the scientific community remained cautious. Extraordinary claims require equally extraordinary evidence, and without direct observations, the hypothesis remains speculative. Scientists prefer to adhere to Occam's razor principle, which suggests that the simplest explanation is often the most likely. In the case of Oumuamua, the simplest explanation seems to be that of a natural object, albeit an unusual one. To gain further insights into Oumuamua and unravel the mystery of its origin and nature, research and observation must continue. Scientists have turned to advanced simulations and computer modeling, analyzing available data and seeking to understand Oumuamua's trajectory and behavior. An intriguing proposal published in Astrophysical Journal Letters in 2018 suggested that the object could be a fractal dust aggregate, formed in the protoplanetary disk around a young star. This model could explain its unique shape and the absence of a visible tail. While the natural origin theory gained increasing support, the captivating possibility that Oumuamua could be an artificial object, or even a spacecraft, remained fascinating. The Breakthrough Listen project, dedicated to searching for signals of extraterrestrial intelligence, made significant efforts to detect any artificial signals from Oumuamua. However, despite thorough research, no evidence of artificial signals or other clues of extraterrestrial technology emerged. As time passed, Oumuamua continued to move away from our solar system, making it increasingly difficult to acquire additional data. Ultimately, its diminishing brightness and distance severely limited observation, leaving numerous questions unanswered. Before examining Joe Rogan's concern about Oumuamua's sudden return to our solar system, let's explore from which remote part of the universe this enigmatic object comes. What details about Oumuamua's characteristics can provide clues about its fascinating origin? Oumuamua, the mysterious object originating from far beyond our solar system, continues to baffle scientists engaged in the quest for its authentic provenance. Initially, experts speculated about the possibility that Oumuamua was linked to Vega, an incredibly bright star situated in the Lyra constellation. The abundance of debris disks around Vega made it a plausible candidate for being Oumuamua's birthplace. According to this theory, the object would have undertaken an extraordinary journey of 600 light-years to reach our solar system. However, recent developments have cast doubts on the validity of the Vega theory, prompting scientists to explore intriguing alternatives. Currently, some scientists hypothesize that Oumuamua has traversed our galaxy for billions of years, covering over 20,000 star systems during its multi-century journey. While this might seem exceptionally long, it is relatively short considering the age of our galaxy, estimated to be around 10 billion years, with approximately 200 billion stars. In the vast temporal scope of Oumuamua's interstellar odyssey, astronomers suggest that its passage into our solar system might represent its first contact with a new stellar region. This theory finds support in Oumuamua's trajectory, which significantly aligns with the motion of nearby stars as it swiftly traverses our solar system. To unravel the mysteries of Oumuamua's origin, scientists have meticulously retraced its path before entering our solar system. Corwin Baylor Jones of the Max Planck Institute for Astronomy undertook the challenging task of analyzing Oumuamua's trajectory in relation to the historical positions of approximately 7 million stars. Leveraging data provided by the Gaia probe, which diligently monitored these stars, Baylor Jones examined their orbits, looking for intersections or similarities with Oumuamua's retrodated path. This thorough investigation yielded 4 promising candidates, each with trajectories closely aligning with Oumuamua's retrodated course. However, conclusively determining its origin remains a complex challenge. During this meticulous analysis, Baylor Jones made an intriguing observation. He noted that Oumuamua's trajectory aligned with a region between 1 and 2 astronomical units, AU, from the Oort cloud, or 100,000 to 200,000 AU. Furthermore, the encounter velocities between Oumuamua and each potential origin candidate were extraordinarily high, ranging from 6 to 16 miles per hour, posing an enigma for scientists. Some researchers suggest that Oumuamua could be a planetesimal, a building block expelled during the early stages of planet formation. However, achieving such exceptional ejection velocities solely through encounters with larger planets seems highly improbable, though not entirely impossible. Another hypothesis is that Oumuamua may originate from a binary star system, justifying its remarkable speed. However, none of the 4 most likely candidates for Oumuamua's origin consists of binary stars. Adding further complexity to the puzzle, the quest to find Oumuamua's true origin continues, with the hope that future data from the Gaia probe may shed light on this cosmic mystery. Additional information from Gaia will provide astronomers the opportunity to refine the search for the origin of this celestial traveler, paving the way for a deeper understanding of the movements of nearby stars and potentially leading to more definitive results. Regardless of its origin, an intriguing question persists. What propelled Oumuamua through the vastness of space, distancing it from its celestial abode? Scientists have put forth various fascinating hypotheses to explain the rapid journey of this enigmatic interstellar visitor. One theory suggests that Oumuamua might have formed following a cataclysmic collision between 2 celestial bodies. Another hypothesis proposes that a supernova explosion could have liberated Oumuamua from its original position, transforming it into the first messenger from distant realms to grace our solar system. Some liken it to a harbinger of calamities similar to wandering asteroids, potential future threats to Earth. However, the plot thickens further when astronomers, like Garrett Levine from Yale University, put forward an intriguing idea. Oumuamua could consist of ice fragments expelled from the rocky disks of distant planets, now present in our solar system as interstellar debris. In 2017, the Lyra project was launched, inspired by Oumuamua, with the goal of developing a spacecraft capable of reaching high speeds to intercept interstellar objects like Oumuamua and 2I/Borisov. The project aimed to achieve this by utilizing an innovative light-sail spacecraft. It is anticipated that the Lyra project will launch a dedicated spacecraft between 2030 and 2033, with the goal of reaching Oumuamua by 2047 or 2049. The realization of this ambitious endeavor is within reach due to remarkable advancements and innovations in spacecraft technology. For instance, LightSail 2, an extraordinarily small spacecraft powered solely by solar radiation, has completed 18,000 orbits around Earth, covering a distance of 8 million kilometers. This spacecraft is capable of propelling small probes rapidly through space by reflecting powerful lasers off its small sail. With further advancements in this type of technology, we may develop a ship fast enough to reach Oumuamua in the near future. However, recent observations suggest that we may not need to embark on a mission to Oumuamua, as it appears to be on a course toward Earth. Currently near the planet Neptune, there is concern that its unusual orbital pattern could bring it back to Earth. In such a case, various possibilities and implications would emerge. It is important to emphasize that our knowledge of the nature of this object and the extent of its capabilities remains limited. What has Joe Rogan shared about Oumuamua? Could it be an alien spacecraft? Joe Rogan, a prominent figure in American media, through his Joe Rogan Experience, has established a platform that embraces intellectual exploration and unfiltered conversations. His curiosity and openness to diverse perspectives have made him a prominent figure in the entertainment industry. Recently, the enigmatic Oumuamua has captured the attention of scientists and enthusiasts, sparking speculations about its possible extraterrestrial origin. Rogan, known for his inquisitive nature, feels compelled to further explore this topic. Even the head of the Pentagon's UFO office has acknowledged the existence of an extraterrestrial mothership in our solar system, lending credibility to the idea. Furthermore, the notion that extraterrestrial beings could deploy microscopic probes to systematically investigate celestial bodies in our cosmic neighborhood, similar to our space missions, adds an additional layer of fascination. In a recent study, Sean Michael Kirkpatrick, director of the Pentagon's Anomaly Resolution Office across all domains, aligns with the conclusions of Harvard professor Avi Loeb, asserting that Oumuamua is an extraterrestrial spacecraft created by an advanced alien civilization. However, this theory is the subject of heated debates, with some scientists deeming interstellar space missions impractical given the vast distances involved. Skeptics also highlight the absence of detectable radio signals from Oumuamua during previous scans. Nevertheless, it is crucial to consider that the absence of signals could be a deliberate attempt by extraterrestrial beings to remain concealed. Joe Rogan, known for his curious and open nature, reflects on the potential significance of Oumuamua. He wonders if this enigmatic object could constitute a cosmic message, encouraging humanity to explore and expand our understanding of the universe. Rogan even questions if it might be a test designed to evaluate our technological and scientific progress. He emphasizes that space exploration stimulates not only innovation, but also attracts visionary billionaires investing in research and development. When Oumuamua entered our solar system, the scientific community quickly united, showcasing collaborative capabilities and resource sharing. This event provided a valuable lesson, reminding us to be prepared to interpret any encrypted messages or signals from similar objects in future encounters with interstellar visitors. Joe Rogan highlights the global nature of space exploration, requiring skills and resources from around the world. The sudden presence of Oumuamua has sparked curiosity and a thirst for knowledge among astronomers, astrophysicists, and researchers worldwide. It has served as a universal call to action, reminding us of the vastness and intricate complexity of the universe and inspiring us to come together in our quest for understanding. In the event Oumuamua were to reveal itself as an alien spacecraft, its ability to accelerate rapidly as it approaches the Sun, on the verge of leaving our solar system, raises intriguing possibilities. If this object is piloted by extraterrestrial beings, it could travel at immense speeds, enabling it to reach Earth in the shortest time possible. And what might happen in such a case? The first consequence would be a catastrophic impact. The collision of this space object with Earth would cause widespread destruction, including landslides, mudslides, and other devastating effects. If Oumuamua were indeed an alien spacecraft, we could be facing a scenario of extraterrestrial invasion. The implications of such an event are profound and unexplored. We cannot predict the diseases, pathogens, or lethal viruses these aliens might bring with them. They might even possess civilizations with technologies far more advanced than ours, akin to what we see in science fiction movies. While all of this is purely speculative, we cannot ignore these possibilities, especially considering that a respected scientist firmly believed that Oumuamua was indeed an alien spacecraft. On the other hand, if it were to turn out to be a simple space rock or fragment from a destroyed planet, our concerns would focus on cleaning up the disaster aftermath.